Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel anchored and secure instead of stressed and worried about the many unknowns that we face every day. But uncertainty is not something to be feared. In fact, it can be a place of comfort and support when we allow ourselves to get comfortable with it instead of constantly trying to avoid it. So let's do that here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. Get yourself comfortable in whatever position feels good to you right now. Let your body lead the way. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Become aware of your breathing without trying to change it. Just notice it and stay with it for the next few moments. If your mind begins to wander, let your breath gently guide you back to the present moment, back to staying with your breath. And then take a deep breath here. And let that breath help ground you even further into the here and the now. Feel your breath. Feel the places in your body that move with your inhale and exhale. Feel your breath in your chest. Feel your breath in your belly. Feel your breath in your nostrils. Feel your breath in all three places, moving independently, yet together at the same time. Let each place and all 3 places in your body remind you of the present moment. Remind you that this is where you rest. That this is where you are, in the here and the now. Let the movement in your nostrils and your chest and your belly remind you that your breath and your body in this present moment is where your life is. It is not in the past. It is not in the future. It is only right now. It is always right now. It is without fail right now. It is no matter what right now. Let yourself take comfort in these words of certainty. Only, always, without fail, no matter what. As you continue staying with your breath, breathing deeply into the support of the present moment, and resting comfortably in the unconditional, unwavering love of the present moment. Take all the time you need here. Here will never leave you. Of that you can be certain. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel into the certainty of each present moment and into the support that the here and the now has to offer you whenever, wherever, no matter what. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.